is evening out at the city hospital, and most of the patients are comfortably settled down, some of them already asleep. But in one room, the lights are still burning brightly. Inside the operating room, doctors and nurses work together in the tense battle to save a human life. Perhaps this is an emergency where speed and sureness are necessary to keep the patient alive. But no matter how swiftly the doctor must work, there is one thing he never disregards: hands which are free from germs. Before a doctor begins an operation, he scrubs his hands over and over, not just for seconds, but for long, careful minutes. There is skill in these hands, the skill to make men well. But skill is not enough. They must be clean and free from germs. The doctor knows that absolute cleanliness is vital to his patient's health. Your mother, too, knows the importance of cleanliness in protecting the health of other members of the family when you are sick. Many diseases are spread by personal contact with someone who has that disease, or by touching a thermometer or other object to which the germs may have spread. And so, when you have the measles, or some other disease which is spread in this way, your mother provides a place for you to dispose of your paper handkerchiefs, so that no one else will touch them. She will wash your dishes, and your towels and bedding too, separately from those used by the well members of the family. She will sterilize the things you have used, kill the germs with boiling water or antiseptic solutions, until such things are no longer dangerous for others to use. Cleanliness is very important in the care of people who are sick with diseases which may be passed from one person to another. Such cleanliness is important because it helps protect a person who is well. But suppose you are well, able to run and jump and play as you do most of the time, and the friends you work and play with are in good health too. Personal cleanliness is still important. It is particularly important for you to wash your hands after going to the toilet. You see, it is quite possible for you to have germs in your body which don't make you sick at all. But if those germs get from your hands to the hands of someone else, he may not be so able to resist the germs as you are. He may become sick. To protect your own health, you should wash your hands well with warm water and plenty of soap before every meal. Cleanliness helps in keeping you free from disease, and it contributes in other ways to your well-being. Being clean makes you feel good. A warm bath just before bedtime helps you relax into the good, sound sleep your body needs after a day of school and play. If you prefer a shower in the morning, a brisk rub-down with a towel afterward will send you out wide awake and ready to do your best. Personal cleanliness can make a difference in how you feel because it makes so much difference in how others feel about you. No matter how smart or strong or good you are, it takes time for other people to find it out. In the meantime, all that those around you have to judge you by is what they can see and hear and smell. Grimy fingernails may be forgiven in a clay modeling class where there is a reason for them. But if your nails are usually dirty, others may get the wrong impression of you. Clean your fingernails at least once a day. Your smile may be an invitation to friendship, making others want to know you. But remember, your teeth are showing. Not everyone has teeth which are snow white and evenly spaced, but anyone can have clean ones. A toothbrush isn't expensive, and is very simple to use. Always brush away from, not toward, your gums with every stroke. If you are out of toothpaste, a mixture of baking soda and salt will clean your teeth very well. Brushing your teeth right after meals will keep them in good condition. Even rinsing your mouth out with water will help. Little bits of food left in your teeth feed bacteria which produce acids that dissolve the hard enamel covering of a tooth, making the painful cavities. If these cavities are not filled, the decay may spread to the root of the tooth, and the tooth may have to be pulled. To avoid tooth decay, brush your teeth right after meals and before going to bed. A toothbrush can't do a good job of cleaning your teeth if the bristles are soggy and bent. Take time to put it away where it can dry straight. Having clean, shiny hair is simple enough for you boys. You can wash and rinse it right in your shower as often as you bathe. Then with a little brushing and combing and a little hairdressing if you like it, you can make a good impression on anyone. Girls who want shining, pretty hair must usually spend a little more time on it. Unless there is something wrong with your health, your hair will shine if it is clean. Brushing it every day will stimulate your scalp and help to remove the dust and dirt, which make hair look dull and lifeless. As often as necessary, with most girls that's once a week, you should wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Rinse it until every trace of shampoo is gone and the last rinse water is clear. In no place is cleanliness more important than in the care of your skin, for both boys and girls. A clear, fine-textured complexion is an asset you can have only so long as you work for it. Soap and water washing will remove the excess oils which collect dust to clog the pores of your skin. Use a soft cloth, warm water, and a mild soap. Always rinse your face well with clear water. Some skins are sensitive to soap left on the face by careless rinsing. To help your complexion, eat healthful food, such as meat and vegetables with plenty of milk and water, rather than too many sweets and soft drinks. A clean body deserves clean, well-kept clothing. Underwear should be changed after every bath. Slips, stockings, underwear, all are worn next to the body, and part of their function is to absorb the waste materials which are always being thrown off by the skin. On warm days, you can see this moisture, perspiration. But even in cold weather, you continue to perspire, and the accumulation of perspiration in your underclothing quickly becomes stale smelling. Except to you, you may become accustomed to it. Make it a rule. After a bath, clean underwear and clean stockings, always. Your outer clothing may often be worn more than once if it is kept clean while you're wearing it and cared for in the right way between wearings. Hanging coats and suits and skirts up as soon as you take them off ensures that they will stay clean enough to wear again. But before you hang your clothes up, be sure they are clean. Brush the dust out of woolens and look them over to see if there are spots which should be removed. Keep your clothes pressed. Wrinkles make any dress or suit look shabby. Don't deceive yourself that no one will ever notice that little grease spot. Someone will. Your mother is pretty sure to have a safe, spot-removing fluid around the house. The directions on the container will tell you how to use it. Bigger cleaning jobs need a dry cleaner's expert work immediately. The longer you wait, the more difficult it will be for the dry cleaner to get your garment clean again. Feeling good is one of the pleasures of being alive, and there are many ways in which your cleanliness can help you to feel good. Personal cleanliness can help to protect you from many of the serious illnesses. By washing your hands before every meal and after you go to the toilet, you can wash away germs which might make you sick. Being clean gives you a sense of well-being. You actually feel better, more alive, when you know you are clean all over. Your cleanliness makes you more attractive to other people. Clean hands with clean, well-cared-for nails. A friendly smile which shows sparkling teeth and healthy gums. Shining hair, brushed or combed neatly in place. Skin that is scrubbed-looking and has a healthy glow. And clothing which is clean and spotless. Those are the things which add up to you in the other fellow's eyes. Is your cleanliness giving the picture you want it to give?